AMD. AMD looking decent. Coming up here to the 50-day. Can't quite get above it. A little struggle there. Right at the 50-day we opened, kissed it, and then pulled back. Looks like AMD may possibly try to fill a gap here. We got this gap from the close of yesterday here at 47.46. So you can watch AMD to see if it fills that gap and perhaps you get a bounce. DG, they were up yesterday, coming back here to the 100-day and trying to bounce a little bit on a retail name. Dexcom positive today. Little bump there, not much. Video game makers, EA here came to the hole and now kind of pulling back a little bit.